my name is Jamya.
Hello, I'm Naya, and this time we're gonna do makeup and we're gonna do it on ourselves.
Look at I am 8.
And I'm 4.
Wow, my sisters. We are going to be twins. Actually, no, we're not twins. Oh, I keep forgetting we're not twins. It's just.
We are sisters.
Oh yes. So I keep forgetting something. So are you ready, guys?
This is for the eyelash.
How about this one? Is this one for the pink one?
This one is for the eyes.
This is
But I
for
don't
lipstick.
touch it yet. This is for the other eye.
And this one's for this one, for
this
lipstick.
And this one is the cheek.
Which one is this one?
Lipstick.
Oh yeah.
And this is another cheek.
This one.
This is an eyebrow again.
This one is the cheek.
And this one is another cheek.
Look at my nail polish.
Lipstick and I got this lipstick. Oopsie.
Scared. I'm so scared.
How do we open it?
So I'll brush it right here. Oh no, I hope so none anyone come. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I hope so. I don't think that it's not gonna see us like this. I'm so very shy. I just can't believe it. Brush, 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 brush. Oh God, it's trying this. Naya looks so pretty. You're my sister. I look so pretty.
I just saw people putting these on their nose before.
No, I can't believe it, Naya. Do you see? Look at my face. It's so clear. Okay.
This is my powder.
This one is my powder. The kitten over here.
It's alright.
Oh yes. I was looking at the kitten.
What's next then? Do you know what powder does? It takes all the oil away from you. The brush is so soft.
Yeah. Wash it for me.
And me.
Making me to sneeze all the way down.
Let's put it.
What's next?
Okay, what's next?
This one is my blush. Not as a pink one, I said. And this one, what have you got, Naya?
I got this one, which is not that. But I can't
Cheers.
really hold it much.
Cheers, 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 cheers. All of my hands.
Only here.
On the cheeks.
Over here.
On the cheeks.
So fun.
Oh God, it's so pink all over my face. Wish I see your pink, so beautiful. Not that bad.
You just need to rub it. Just need to rub
No.
it. You have to do it around here only.
Right here?
Yeah, only the like here. Right here.
That
Look.
looks so beautiful.
Yeah, just right here. Look at me. Look at me. Right here.
Oh, thank you, Naya.
You're welcome. Stop. Let me blend it.
Naya, you're making me so funny.
Alright. Not on the nose. Not on the nose. Sorry.
Oops, I done so wrong.
That's alright.
And Naya's...
Look at me.
Why?
Because then I can see. Other side.
I got this one.
It's red.
It's red?
Look. It's red.
Okay, this one gold one is so pretty. Are we just friends today, El?
Yeah.
Of course. So
We both got sparkly. Mush.
right here.
Is it red there? Yes, it is.
Naya, look at the gold on my face. It's
You only do it here.
sorry.
See how it's getting perfect on me.
Is it perfect on me?
It's going all over the place.
It's like this. It's so cute. So I'm gonna write it right now.
Give me, please.
A little bit more. Of your eyes.
Oops. Put it in my nose. Ah.
What do I look? What do I look?
Look at me. Doesn't look funny, does it?
No, it
doesn't look
doesn't. It doesn't look funny, Naya. You look pretty. I'll change your colour to somewhere.
It's like what I want to choose.
What do you want to choose then? You just
I'll choose this
confused. I think I want to choose yellow. I think your makeup is prettier than Daddy's. I want to do blue like you.
That one. It's that one. What else? I want to choose this colour.
Blue? I said no. I said.
Because you wanted these eyes.
I can't believe it. Why is that blue? Mascara.
Mascara. I don't think I can do it. Is it on the eyelashes? Watch. Jamya, watch.
I want my sister to help.
I'll help you. There's a little black on there. Look at me.
I love you.
I love you too.
What happened? Is something not wrong in there?
No, look on the other side. Okay, done. I got my purple lipstick.
And I have red lipstick. Do I have red lipstick in there?
Yeah, it's got
Yeah.
red. Let's quick.
I know how to do lipstick all by myself.
I can know.
Purple, because purple is the beautifulest. Let's start doing ourselves. Oh. I got pink.
Wait. Is it pink? Let me see. Oh yeah. Pink.
I got pink.
Good.
That was good. So this is our music.
Please.
This is talent show. Now time for our music start. Bye. Thank you for videos.
video.
I love you. We are friends, and together, subscribe
to
for
Nisha Massey channel.
and Jamya and Anaya channel for so love you. Subscribe for Jamya channel, and I love you. Mwah.